Okay. Hey guys, it's Chloe here. You're watching FabFitFun's channel, and this is Customized Close-Up. I'm gonna be showing you a few of the items that select members can customize in the fall box. So if you're not a select member yet, make sure to upgrade at fabfitfun.com/upgrade. And if you're not a member at all yet, well, you're making a big mistake. Huge. So before we get started, make sure to like, comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any spoilers. All right, let's go. That was weird. Let's go, okay. So the first item we have for you today is the SKIN&CO Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. So this uses witch hazel and sage to deeply cleanse your pores and remove impurities. Plus, it soothes and protects from any free radical damage. I use this after I'm done cleansing. I just put a little bit on a cotton pad, wipe it all over my face to really get rid of any excess dirt and dead skin. It also includes properties of black winter truffle, which I think it's pretty fancy if you ask me. It's imported from Italy, so you can channel your inner Italiano. I'm actually Italian, kind of. All right, moving on. Next up, we have the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Rollerball. It's infused with vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood, and it's great to apply aromatherapy into your pressure points, such as your wrists or your neck, so you can get your relaxation on wherever you are, whether you're at work and you need to zen out on your lunch break, before bed to help you sleep, or if you like to meditate, it's great to go along with that too. That was like the worst of all time. This is good to always have in your purse or in your pocket. It's a perfect size, so you can just add it into your routine whenever you start to get anxious. Plus, it just smells amazing. It smells kind of woodsy, natural. I think you're gonna love it. It's kind of like going camping, or in my case, glamping. Also, what I love about this is it's not tested on animals and it's vegan. So, Chloe approved. And last but not least, we have the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And I think you're gonna love these. These single-use masks come in a 6-pack, not talking about abs, but you'll have one for every day of the week, or you can use one a week to last you 6 whole weeks. To use these, just apply them onto clean, dry skin under your eyes. And what I like to do is to pat in the extra serum afterward to just make sure I'm really soaking it all in. And the gold foil actually helps retain heat and avoid evaporation, so you can really get the most of the formula. The formula contains hyaluronic acid, which helps deliver intense hydration. All right, let's put these bad boys on. So to apply, you're just gonna put it on clean and dry skin, and then just pat it down to really let that serum soak into your under eye. And then you're just gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. How do I look? The middle layer is also elastic, so you don't have to worry about it sliding down your face while you have these on. You could sit up and watch TV, read a book, eat a snack, do whatever you wanna do. You have 10 to 15 minutes to let it sink in. Make sure to upgrade to a select membership and choose whichever one of these amazing items you want by August 5th. So comment below and let me know which one of these items you're gonna choose. I think I know which one I'm gonna get. I'm Chloe, and I'll see you next season.